Welcome to SuperHiHubs. Today we'll be looking at how to design a simple YouTube thumbnails. The list days, then you go and size it to a YouTube thumbnail size, image size, then go through the list under custom. You see YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now the next thing to do is to change the background of our design. Let's change it to a white color. Okay, now the next thing to do is to go under shape and create a rectangular shape. You can give it black color. Okay, then you can increase the size. Now rotate it a little, then look at the last edge over here, make it fit in something like this. Let it fit in into the last part. Now duplicate that, bring it to the other side of the top here, turn it something like this also. Okay, great. Now we have it. The next thing to do now is to duplicate this again, duplicate it, reduce the size, something like this. Now bring this up. You can change the color of this. Let's change the color to, let's say, color red. Okay, red is fine. Now bring it up here. Something like this. Great. Now duplicate that also. Just duplicate it, bring it down. Something like this. Duplicate that again, bring it to this other side like this. Duplicate it again, bring it somewhere like this. You can see how I'm doing it. Take note of little details. Okay, good. Now the next thing to do is I want to make some little designs to make it beautiful. Let's come here and select this shape. You can reduce the opacity to 0, change the color to, let's say, color red also. Now you increase the stroke to 4. Yes, this 4 is fine. Reduce the size, bring it down. Reduce the size, bring it down here. Okay, bring it down here. You can change the color to red. Right. Now the next thing to do is click on shape again. Let's do something with another design. Triangle, reduce the opacity, then increase the stroke to 4 also. Okay, rotate it, then you reduce the size, bring it to this side. Now let's create something that will add some beautiful effect. Something like this. You can change the color to black. Now reduce it to the minimum like this. Okay, good. Mark this. Now the next thing to do is duplicate that, then you center it using relative positioning. Center, click on this one also, the first one, layer. If you can't select it, make use of layer to select it. Then you center it, then go to position, just move it one step, duplicate it and repeat that for just create like 5 or 6 of it. So you can see it now. I created 6 of it. You just click on layer, then you mark all of them and merge them together like this. You can see everything is merged together. Wait, now you can increase it, reduce the size a little, something like this. Now you can bring it up here, close it up, bring it up here, duplicate that, bring it down here, something like this. Now what you are trying to create, now let's search for the YouTube logo by importing image. Here is it, I have it here. Click on it, import it. Now reduce the size to fit it into the center, something like this. Okay, bring this down a little, bring this down a little. Now let's type in the message we have. Get your first. Okay. Now reduce this. Now let's get a font. Add a font to it. And just make use of any beautiful font of your choice. So I'll just select something that will be bold for people to see. This is fine. You can see it. Wait, it's simple and easy to read. Increase the size a little, then bring this down, bring this here. So just arrange it properly to pass your message across. Change this color to change this one. You can make it color red also. Fine, now let's add some image to beautify this work. Let's add some image. Okay, here I have an image. I'll just flip it to this side, crop it like this. Okay, now bring it here. You can see now. It's as simple as this. Our YouTube thumbnail is done. Anybody that sees this will easily click and want to see what you have in that video. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Share to your friends. God bless you.